We are pleased to show you the 2019 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.